Welcome, dear students. Hope you are fine and welcome back to the school classes again. Hope you have enjoyed your winter vacations, Lords. Students, you remember that before vacations we completed our reading of lesson number 12, the Nawab of Salimabad 1, and we did the words meaning of this lesson as well. I hope you have remembered it. Let's recall some of the parts of this lesson. Then we will do the question answers and exercises of our lesson. Students, Nawab of Salimabad was a story about a Nawab, and basically the story was narrating or explained by a farmer who was a storyteller, and he himself was a part of a story as well. So Nawab of Salimabad was actually the very kind Nawab. He was very close to his people or his subjects, and he wanted to know their circumstances, their lifestyles, and you can say what they feel about themselves in his kingdom. So what he did, he disguised himself and he changed his all appearance in a form of a traveler, and he traveled lords for many months to get know about the condition of his people. And during that period he interacted, or he got chance to meet a family who was a farmer and his wife. They were very old and they were very you can say in bad condition, and they had 3 sons and they were all working in Nawab's regiment. So this was all about the lesson. Now hope you have recalled what we have read about it. This is the questions of our lesson. Question number 1 is, why did the Nawab enter the small house? Which small house they are talking about? The house of the old lady and a farmer. And answer is, the Nawab entered the small house because it had been raining and he was wet. Question number 2 is, why did not the 3 sons send letter to their parents? Why? And the answer is because they could not write and their parents could not read. Question number 3 is, what is a regiment? And the answer is, a regiment is a unit of soldiers in the army. Question number 4 is, what made the Nawab's clock wet? It was rain which made the Nawab's clock wet. And the last question is, what did the farmer and his wife grow on their lands? The couple grew some wheat and onions on their land. Students, this is all about the comprehension and the question answers. Please open page number 116. Keep your pencils in your hands, please. There are 2 columns and they are about the passage or the lesson you have read. Column A said, the Nawab of Salimabad was a very great man. He travelled for many months. He wore a cloak over his shoulders, and cover yourself with this blanket. Easy? Because you have already interacted the lines in the passage when we were reading it. Please come to page number 117. There is an exercise which is very interesting. They said, choose the correct words from the box to complete the sentences. And the words are war, walking, wasted, waiter, and veil. So what is our task to do? We are going to write the correct words according to their definition. So the first one is, we often move from one place to another by what? By walking. B is, this happens when countries fight each other. What happens? You'll have to choose from the box given. What happens? This happens. War happens when countries fight with each other. C is, if you don't eat your food, it may be wasted. Second last is he serves in a restaurant as a waiter. And the last is a long, loud, sad cry is called a wail. Students, this is all about today's class. The rest of exercises we will inshallah do in our next session. Till then, stay blessed and goodbye.